How to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on Windows R on your keyboard. In here, simply type in %temp% and then press on Enter or click on OK. After you've done that, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find all the files. Select one file and click on Ctrl+A to select everything from here and press on Delete at the top. After you've pressed on Delete at the top, you can also skip what you don't want to delete. If not, press on Continue, and after everything is deleted, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.